Make a great choice today with 2016 Santa Fe. Style, quality, performance, value. Need we say more? And is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, power passenger seat, traction control, power lift gate, Bluetooth, dual airbags, air conditioning, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.